Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Pricelabs step by step. Connect your Airbnb or PMS account to Pricelabs and allow required permissions. Then choose a base price, set minimum stay rules, and apply dynamic seasonality templates. Finally, review suggested nightly rates, adjust customizations, and publish your new pricing to go live. I will walk you through each screen and explain why settings matter and benefits. I'll show the key Pricelabs settings to optimize revenue without overcomplicating your workflow. Start by setting your base price and minimum stay based on demand data. Use weekend and weekday adjustments to capture higher payouts on busy nights. Set length of stay discounts carefully and enable smart seasonal adjustments for holidays. Double-check your exclusion dates and sync settings before publishing to prevent accidental rate overrides. I will explain common pitfalls to avoid. Now let's cover advanced Pricelabs strategies to boost occupancy and earnings. Experiment with market-based minimum stay, custom brackets, and last-minute discounts for slow nights. Use blending to transition between seasons smoothly and set caps to protect profitability on high-demand dates. Monitor recommended rate changes daily and use analytics to refine your base price. I'll share examples and show screen walkthroughs so you can copy proven setups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.